All right, so we're going into our room.
Turn the lights on, man.
Oh. Oh, wow, it's so pretty. Oh, look at how pretty it is.
Smells brand new.
It smells like fresh paint.
Yep. Oh, that was off. I need
Oh
more lights.
my.
I need more lights.
I'm trying here. Where are the lights?
I don't know.
Let me try to find. I'm inventory.
Okay, here we go. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so it has like a little pull-down bed here that is, oh, it's got Goofy. I like chilling on a little horse. That's Jennings' bed.
If you don't know,
It's got a pull-down
then look no further.
pull-down bed there. Oh my gosh, and then look at these cute little Saratoga Springs awards. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. It's got Donald and Daisy and Mickey and Minnie. Oh,
Maybe
careful.
we shouldn't do that.
That's
We have
somebody's
to
bed.
move that.
That's cool.
That's
No,
mine.
don't lay on it yet.
It's mine.
I'm bigger.
No, you're in the little one. Oh, that's a new photo.
No, I need to show the camera something. We're
Why?
getting a
Oh my
tour of this one
Lord.
room. We need to get a tour of the kitchen.
You have like all kind of separate room. This is a house.
This is a house.
If there's a bathtub, I call it.
Oh my gosh,
Call
this
the
is,
bathtub.
they did such an excellent job. This is beautiful.
This is awesome.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's like a level.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Do you guys not remember when we stayed here?
No.
Well, I remember when we stayed here, but it was not this confusing.
They shut off, or they closed off the, remember you used to be able to see into the bedroom from the bathtub?
You can't do that.
Oh, they've like replaced the clear glass with like some tempered glass or whatever you want to call it, and the little toilet area.
It always had that.
So pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And they even replaced, I'm pretty sure those are brand new.
No, they aren't.
Those are nicer than they were before.
Maybe they cleaned it. Maybe they got the same kind, but they got weird.
This is amazing.
Wait, hold on. See,
I could live
see no handles.
You could live
to
here?
Open this fridge. See no handles to open this fridge. I'm magical. Turn the camera around.
Why?
Right now.
Okay. And
Oh my.
You're watching.
I think it's the other side, guys. That does not make any sense.
Get the handle. Two handles.
That was interesting. Let's not break it before we stay here.
This is crazy. This new refurbished Disney World Saratoga Springs Resort is amazing.
Ready? For the balcony. Come over
You've
here.
got the fold down bed for the little ones right over here with a cool little goofy montage there. And then you have a fold out of the wall Murphy bed.
You need help with that one on.
Murphy bed there, which I'm not sure. Interesting.
Hey, hey. Oh my gosh, don't break it.
All right, so
You
let's.
need help.
Can you like push that out of the way?
Oh!
All right, grab your.
This could be my side table.
You ready?
Need to record it. We gotta record
Bam!
Right over there.
it. Okay.
Oh.
That's your bed.
Where's the pillows?
It's a bird watching.
And then Jenny's bed's over here.
So happy.
Hey, get the camera. We need the big reveal of the balcony.
Big
Everybody,
reveal of the balcony.
hear ye. I will reveal the balcony.
All right, let's reveal the balcony. Go ahead, reveal the balcony. Go ahead.
Run away from Mom. Mom, we're gonna reveal the balcony.
Jennings wants to reveal the balcony.
Okay. Welcome
Sure.
to Jurassic Park.
Reveal the balcony, man.
Not even right.
Can you help him reveal the balcony?
No. Welcome to the Jurassic Park.
Wait. It's not working, obviously. So let's.
Oh. Welcome to Jurassic Park. It's hot out here.
Right.
Nice bus view.
All right. So we.
The chair for me to see the beautiful trees.
So where are we? So we are.
Trees and spine.
We can't see Disney Springs, but Disney Springs is over there.
I can spy on people. Look at that.
Yeah. So there's a road over that away.
Don't drop
But
the
Disney
camera.
Springs is over there somewhere. I know it is because we're pretty close. I know we are.
Don't drop the camera.
Don't drop the I'm not going to drop the camera. Are you pretty excited to be here, little bug?
I'm way more excited than you.
I'm more excited than you.
I know that because you've been waiting a year. Okay, we don't want
So,
slides inside of our room.
who's excited?
I'm excited.
Are you excited to have your own bed?
Yes.
A bed that you don't have to share with your brother.
Yes.
Jennings, are you excited to have your own bed? That's pretty
My bed's
cool.
not squishy enough.
It's pretty cool.
It's not squishy enough.
It's plenty squishy.
No?
I can see it from here. It's plenty squishy.